Welcome to this explainer. Trying to buy property in Alachua County? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling a seriously high-stakes topic: securing your real estate investments. Stay tuned, because you're about to discover the essential steps to protect your investment by learning exactly how to check for property liens online right now. Look, protecting your investment is absolutely everything, right? Figuring out what might be hiding under the surface is absolutely crucial for your peace of mind and your financial security. Here's our roadmap for today. Number 1, why check for liens? 2, accessing Alachua online resources. 3, step-by-step search process. 4, interpreting results and pitfalls. And 5, next steps and protections. All right, Section 1, why check for liens? So what exactly is a lien anyway? Well, by definition, it's an enforceable first claim against real estate for unpaid debts. We're talking things like taxes, mortgages, or court judgments. And here is the real kicker. If you inherit a lien when you buy a property, you are literally inheriting the previous owner's financial baggage. Just imagine closing on your dream home only to discover you suddenly owe years of deferred taxes, and those can accumulate at up to a 7% interest rate. It absolutely happens, and that debt transfers directly to the new owner at closing. Now, to put this into perspective, let's look at how insanely fast unpaid taxes can escalate into liens and even potential property loss right here in Alachua County. Taxes are due starting November 1st, but if they go unpaid, they become officially delinquent on April 1st. By May 1st, boom, a massive 20% collection fee is slapped onto tangible taxes. And it gets worse. If those taxes go unpaid for 2 years, a certificate holder can actually apply for a tax deed. That means the property can literally be sold off at a public auction. So timing is absolutely everything here. Moving right along to Section 2, accessing Alachua online resources. This breakdown brilliantly illustrates the divide between the county's databases. The crucial thing you have to understand is that you actually need 2 entirely separate portals. Over on one side, the property appraiser handles the tax rolls, land boundaries, physical characteristics, and valuations. But on the other side, the clerk of court, currently managed by J.K. Jess Irby, handles the official records. That's your deeds, your mortgages, and most importantly for us, your liens and judgments. You can't just check one database and call it a day. You absolutely must use both to get the full picture. Okay, let's get into Section 3, step-by-step search process. This breaks down our core workflow perfectly into 3 easy steps. Step 1, you're going to start at the property appraiser portal to find your parcel and identify the exact property details. Step 2, you take that owner's name over to the clerk's portal and search those official records. And Step 3, do not forget to check the court records. This is actually a separate search for judicial judgment liens. See, if someone lost a lawsuit and owes a debt, a certified court judgment can form a lien on literally any real estate they own in the county. Now, pay really close attention to this next part, because it's a super common beginner mistake. When you're searching the clerk's database, you're dealing with a literal string matching system. That means you have to format names exactly as last, first. So like Smith John, with a space in between. Also, a pro tip here, exclude middle initials at first. Why? Well, if you search with the middle initial, but the original recorded document left it out, the system will completely hide that record from you. Keep it simple to start so you can cast a wider net. Which brings us to Section 4, interpreting results and pitfalls. Knowing how to search is great, but you've got to keep an eye out for these specific hidden traps. First up, Alachua County has this very quirky 10-parcel indexing limit. Basically, if a blanket lien or multi-property mortgage covers more than 10 parcels, the clerk only indexes the first 10. So if your property happens to be number 11 on that document, no way is it showing up under standard parcel search. Second, like we just talked about, those missing middle initials on original documents can cause you to miss a lien completely. And third, just a reminder that judicial judgments require checking an entirely separate portal. Assuming all your liens are just sitting there in one single official record search is a massive pitfall. All right, final section. Section 5, next steps and protections. Now that you know how to look for this stuff, both county offices actually offer fantastic, completely free, proactive monitoring tools to warn you of potential title fraud. You should absolutely sign up for both of these. The property appraiser offers something called Title Alert, which actively monitors the tax roll for any ownership changes tied to your specific property ID. Meanwhile, the clerk offers a recording notification service.
This one alerts you whenever a new instrument, like a mortgage or a lien, is recorded under your specific registered name variations. Honestly, getting these alerts straight to your phone or email is a total game changer for your security. But hey, what if you actually get one of those alerts, or you find a surprise lien during your search? First things first, review the recorded document to verify if it's legitimate. If you suspect fraud, you need to know that the clerk can't just delete it on their own without a court order. You'll actually need to contact the Alachua County Sheriff's Office. Their number is 352-367-4000, or you can reach out to the FBI. Now, if it's a legitimate lien that you just disagree with, you have to contact the lien filer directly to dispute it. And of course, it's always a good idea to consult a real estate attorney to help navigate the process.
Before we wrap things up today, I do need to share this essential professional disclaimer. This explainer is for informational purposes only. Always, always consult with legal or real estate professionals for personalized advice regarding property liens and title searches. Real estate law is incredibly complex, so getting professional guidance is always recommended when you're dealing with these kinds of assets. So you now know how to uncover hidden liens, navigate those Alachua County portals like an absolute pro, and set up your fraud alerts. But it does leave you wondering, what else might be hiding in a property's history just waiting to be found? Keep asking questions, stay vigilant, and always do your homework before you close the deal. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and happy property hunting.